I'm Holly with Mono Machines, and this is the Fellows Galaxy E500 binding machine. Now, it's a comb binding machine. We've got a comb right here, and they come in different sizes that can bind up to 500 sheets of paper. I'm going to show you how to bind a report. So we've got the body of the report here and the cover. Come on in so I can show you how to use it. Okay, first we just drop the comb in there and line it up. Okay. We're going to pull the lever to open the comb. Now this is an electric punch machine, so all we have to do is put our report right into here, and it's going to punch it for us. It can punch up to 25 sheets of paper, and it also comes in manual punch if you like. Now, for larger jobs, like 500 sheets for example, you can adjust the back margin here for a stronger report. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're just going to put the report right onto our comb, use the lever to close it up, and we've got a bound report. Beautiful. Now, if you want to put a clear, like a transparent cover on top of your report, this can punch up to 4 sheets at a time. Now, I want you to see something really cool about this machine. What makes it really versatile is you can remove the binding mechanism. So if there's two of you, one of you wants to bind, one of you wants to punch, then you're going to save a lot of time that way. Now, that's what makes this machine really flexible and really easy to use. Also, it comes with a starter pack. Thanks for watching.